Hi everyone, welcome into Cypress tutorial. Today, in this tutorial, we will learn how to automate the login process in Cypress. Login into a website is an important part of many test cases, and Cypress make it easy to automate. I will show you step by step how to handle login using Cypress, including filling in credentials and verifying a successful login. So let's begin. Create a new test file, right click on it to be new file, and then enter the file name login.sci.js. This is our new test file. Copy this one. First, we need to navigate to the URL. After navigating to the URL, we need to enter username, password, and then click on login button. Right click and here format document. As you can view, we need to enter the username here. After enter password and then click on login button. Right click on this field, inspect, and here we can look at by name. Name is equal to user name. Yes, we can locate by username. First, create a test case here. Login test. This is our login test. So enter here login test and create a function here. Now, this is our test case. First, navigate to the URL and then locate by name sci.get and copy this one. Locate by username and here you to enter double quote here. Double quote. Now we need to enter the username. So here use type command and then enter the username. Username is Cypress. First enter the username. Now we need to enter the password. So right flip in password field, inspect, and here name is equal to password. Password. We can look at by name. Copy this and here enter sci.get round brackets, enter the name is equal to password. In password field, enter the password. So there we will use type command and the password is Cypress. Now we just navigate to the URL and enter the username. After enter the username, enter the password in the password field. After enter the password field, we need to click here login button. Right click, inspect, and here we can view input type is equal to password, class is equal to input, and we need to click on this login button. And here value is equal to login. We can use this value is equal to login. Sci dot get and value is equal to login. Copy this login, enter value there. Login. In this button, we need to click. So here we will use dot click. Now remove this rounded curly brackets here, and then enter here. Curly brackets and round brackets. Save this test file and enter the command for opening key Cypress npx Cypress open. Cypress is opening. First, it will navigate to the URL, enter the username in username field, and then enter the password in the password field. Click on configured, click on Chrome, and then click on start. Select the file, click on this login. Test is running. First, navigate to this URL. After navigating to the URL, enter the username, password, and then click on login button. As you can view, successfully login and account overview text display here. Now, we need to verify whether the successfully login or not by using assert. Here, text is available, which is welcome. Right click on this text welcome, and this contains first ID is equal to left panel and then B. So first we need to get by ID sci dot get and enter the ID here. Here ID is left panel. Copy this ID and enter ID. After enter the ID dot find and dot find B. So we need to enter here B dot contains text is welcome. Copy this text which is welcome. Here we just need to use assert for verifying whether this welcome text is present in the left panel. Save this test and the test will automatically run in Cypress. When save, the file test is automatically run. Yes, this test case has been successfully passed. As you can view, welcome contains this text contains in the left panel. That is for today's tutorial. We learn how to automate login in Cypress and make our test more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more Cypress tutorials. Let me know in the comment if you have any questions or suggestions for further videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.